Hey guys, Duckling933 here, and today I'm finally back with a video. I haven't made one since... That's my cat crawling up the chair, but I haven't made one since like the day or two before Christmas, so it's been a little while. But finally it's the new year and all. So yeah. And when I talk on Animal Jam recording, I do not know how I sound, so I'm sorry if I sound like very bad or something right now, because I literally, whenever I record, or just in general when I'm on the computer, I just have my headphones on and I just literally blast music. But oh, good news is I got new headphones finally, so that's good. Finally, once I work too. How's I'm not gonna even question that. Let's go to. Wait, there's an. Oh yeah, I forgot. Every year in Animal Jam, they actually have a New Year's party. But oh, okay, I think. But yeah, I went to it last year. Oh, I didn't mean to hit that. It's really, I like it there. It's not bad and all, but so yeah. I know I'm tired too, person. I didn't get much sleep. Literally every day I don't get a lot of sleep. But so I'm just like every day I'm just like, ugh, I'm so tired. And I know I should get a lot more sleep than I do, but can't help that. I want to try like wait for the New Year's party, but I just want to like go lay down because I have such a bad headache right now. It is so bad. Like, it just hurts really bad. It's a big headache. So, take like being stabbed plus just this really hard pounding and put it on your head. That's how bad it feels. So my cat was doing something and I didn't know what she was doing. But yeah. Um hmm. Trying to think. Yeah. Um so I saw a funny photo, but I like that. But I can't get it because I don't have a lot of stuff now since I got scammed. But yeah. But anyway, how's you guys' Christmas? I got a lot that I wanted, which is good. Hopefully you guys got what you wanted. And if you did, you can say what you got that you really liked and below in the comments if you want. I don't know. I'm not good with making videos. But yeah. What is my cat doing? Oh, but yeah. I can't think. I know that most schools probably went back today, the 5th. So hopefully you guys make it through school. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one, but I hated school. So yeah. But yeah, I got a lot of stuff I liked. I got a new blanket that I really wanted. I got, can't think of what it is. I like to draw a lot, so I got some art stuff, like an art kit and an easel. So that's good. I got some movies I really wanted. Um, I got some merchandise I really wanted. So yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna pause the recording and wait for the New Year's party. Bye bye till then. Hi guys, I'm back and we're gonna go to the New Year's party 2015. Woo! And they have like old stuff on here and old stuff. I don't have many gems. I need to recycle stuff. Yeah, music. Fireworks. Heart flowers for Valentine's Day. Upside down. This, that thing. I can't spell. I'll be right back. I'm gonna delete some stuff so I can get more gems. But I'm back with 1,000 gems. Volcano eruption hood den. I just. Hmm. Who's even saying it? Princess? Yeah. Let's buy. I don't know what I want to buy. Oh, okay. Like, I don't know if I'll take. I don't know if I want to buy a New Year celebration hat. Probably not though, because I don't really celebrate New Year's that much or anything like that. Like New Year's when the ball drops, I celebrate it, but New Year's isn't like a big thing to me in a way. I got a flag now. Let's buy a firework and buy some hot flowers. There we go. Yeah. I want that on. Turn this off now. Whatever. But, yeah. And then here's a lollipop on this side. They have hidden things in here. Ooh. This here. I remember this one last year. Oh, okay. Yeah. Anyway, I think that's just gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you want. Sorry I still sound like this. I'm so tired. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye bye.